Sons and daughters of our ever-loving Father, welcome back to our channel. Please feel free to look around to see what's new here on I Can Hear God. We have uploaded several videos on various topics this week that we hope you will enjoy. We didn't concentrate on any one playlist, so please explore and see if you can spot what we have done. Before you go, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and tell everyone you know about the goodness of God and about our work here to bring you messages from Him. If you wish to leave a request for a topic for the future, please do so. If you have a question or comment, please do not be shy about chatting with us. We would welcome your input. The Holy Spirit wants you to know about Him. He wants to speak with you directly. But if you can't hear what He has to say, He will tell us what to say in the answer to your questions. May God's choicest blessings go with you until we see you again. The I Can Hear God team.